Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. And today is day number 940 in a row. So we'll do a Bitcoin update here real quick on Cash App, and then we'll hop into some exciting news. Bitcoin current price is $47,614, up just a little bit today. My current balance is $4,270. We're down about 2% on the week, up about 20% on the month, and up 311% on the year. Let's scroll down here, see if there's any Bitcoin news. Twitter reportedly working on a Bitcoin tipping feature. So that's very exciting news right there. Twitter beta testing Bitcoin Lightning Network. That's very exciting stuff to see a social media platform that could integrate Bitcoin like that. I think both companies that Jack Dorsey is the CEO of, Twitter and Square, are going to do really cool things with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin owned 0.0896917. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased our Bitcoin for today. Let's scroll down here. So my total Bitcoin owned is now 0.089971166, getting very close to 0.09 there. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,264.4264 divided by 940 days equals a 4.53x on my investment. So doing very well there. What that means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.53. Let's go ahead and hop into the exciting news for today. You guys know I've been playing around on the Tron blockchain for a while now. Been talking about T-Punks, or the Tron version of Punks, since the day it came out. You know, I was even a skeptic at first. Said, I don't know, maybe it could be something, maybe not. I think it's still in the growing stages, proving itself, but there is this crazy transaction. Justin's son purchased this T-Punk right here, T-Punk 3442, has been bought for 120 million TRX, which is the equivalent of over $10 million. So this little artwork right here, worth over $10 million. Crazy stuff there. Definitely follow like T-Punk's official on Twitter, and you can follow their marketplace feed as well, T-Punk's B. So exciting NFT stuff coming on the Tron blockchain. Definitely start to get involved in that if you have any interest. Real quick, another NFT launched on Tron blockchain, that is MeBits. I got two mint 11 MeBits. They were 1,000 TRX each, which is just a little under $100. But I did get two pigs here, which are a pretty rare variant. You know, humans aren't that rare, but the pigs are kind of rare to get. So I got lucky to get two of those out of 11. We'll see what happens with MeBits. They sold out super fast, within 48 hours, I believe. And that'll do it for the update today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.